Okay, guys, now that we have that ratio of 2 over 21, we can go ahead and use an equation to fill out the rest of this document. So we have to find this empty one, this empty one, this empty one, this empty one. So we're going to either find out B for the backpack's weight or H for the hiker's weight. And we're going to use the equation backpack weight equals that rate that we discovered times the hiker's weight. And we are just going to plug in the numbers that we know and solve. So on each of these, we have one of the numbers. So we just need to plug in the other one. So for this problem here, you're going to plug in B equals 2 over 21 times 129 and 15/16. So you'll want to convert and multiply. So B equals 2 over 21 times, let's see, I'm going to go 129 times 16. And then we're going to add 15. Ooh. 15. And that equals 2079 over 16. You're going to try, I would simplify, that's 1, that's 8, and I'm going to have 2079, and that is going to be divided by, and we'll do some parentheses here. Oh, we might not do parentheses. 21 times, okay, yeah, that's not going to work. You'll want to do 21 times 8, and then that answer will be divided by 2079. So 21 times 8. All right, so 168. And then you'll go 27.9 divided by 168. So the weight of the backpack would be 12 pounds. That's the wrong. 12 pounds. And 3.75 over 21 times 8. Once we get that reduced down, it would be in 3/8. So you're going to go ahead and do those for all of them. We'll do this one next so that you can see an example of how to do it when you have the height or the backpack weight instead of the hiker's weight. So I'm going to subtract that, or erase it, sorry. And then I'm going to go, I still have my backpack weight equals 2 over 21 times H. And I'm going to just plug in my backpack weight. So 8 3/4 times 2 over 21 equals my equals 2 over 21 times H. And so in order to do this one, I'm going to have to divide. So I'm going to end up with 32, 33, 34, 35 over 4 times 21 over 2, which that would be 35 times 21, 735 over 8, which that would end up being 91, and we will take 91 times 8 is 728. So 735 minus 28. And that will be 91 and 7/8 pounds. So 91 and 7/8. So you will just take the rest of those numbers, plug them in. I'm going to pause this, solve the other ones, and do the rest for you really quick. Okay, so now that I have that all filled out, the last bit is filling in that total weight. So we're going to be adding fractions here. So that first one, we would start with 152 and 1/4 plus 14 and 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and make those fractions have a common denominator. So the easiest way to do that would be multiply each of these ones by 2. So I had 152 and 1/4 plus 14 and 2/4. So I'm going to go ahead and add those fractions first, and 1/4 and 2/4 is 3/4, and 152 and 14 is going to be 166 pounds. So 166 pounds and 3/4 of a pound. And then you'll just finish doing that with the other ones. Just doing your normal adding, making sure you find common denominators. So here, my 1/4 I would have to make into eighths to match the eighths here. I have 3/8 and 15 over 16. I would need to make this into 16ths. I have 1/4 and 1/2, so I'd have to do the same one that I just did, make it into quarters. I have 1/4s and 1/8. I would make this into 1/8. And then this one's really easy because there are no fractions. So 105 plus 10 would be 115 pounds. So once you go ahead and find that ratio, you can use the equations to figure out the missing pieces and then add together to find the total. If you guys have any more questions, just let me know.